Hey friends, if you encounter the error there was a problem resetting your PC on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide on Microsoft Services. If any of the services check, click on Apply and then on OK, and finally restart the computer. And the last solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT and go to MRT. Okay. And then select Next. Select Full Scan. Select Next. And then let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.